Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to use stopwatch and timer on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open the clock app. Once in the clock app, you can tap on stopwatch in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll tap on start. For example, if you are running a lap or so on and you want to test your speed, then you can tap on lap. And by doing that, you'll be able to record a second lap, or you could tap on stop and then you could tap on reset if you want to start again from 0, as you can see right there. Then I'll tap on start. But if you wanted to continue with this time on your stopwatch, all you have to do is tap on start again, as you can see right there. Now when it comes to timer, which is in the bottom right hand corner, the timer, now you'll select the specific time that you would like before an alarm goes off. So let's say, for example, you are doing planks and you want to do a plank for 1 minute. You would select 1 minute right there. Then you'll tap on start and it will count down to a minute. After it count down, you will hear an alarm go off and you'll simply tap on stop. By the way, you can change the alarm right where you see when timer ends, and you can select the alarm that you would like to use. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.